How you can clear your search history on Instagram. Very simple, very easy. The first step that you need to follow is to open up your Instagram account. Now, this is the part where all the feeds of the people that you followed will appear. Then you need to go on the search icon, which is the second icon on the bottom list of icons, which is this. And then now this is your feed. And then on the top bar, you need to search. So this is just one search. Now suppose let me search for this page. Okay. Now let's say another search would be this. Alright. And then this. And then this. And then this. So for reference, now we have a few search history, right? Now you need to remove it. It's very simple. You just need to click on this cross icon right besides their name, which is this 1, 2, 3. And then if you've got a long list of search, then you can also tap on see all and then clear all. Clear search history. You won't be able to undo this. If you clear your search history, you may still see accounts that you've searched for as suggested results, but it will be out of your search history of Instagram. So clear all, and then empty. The magic's here. It's that simple to remove your search history from Instagram.